Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to archive chats in ChatGPT. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step-by-step process to do that. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, let's get started. Here we are going to open Google Chrome. Now we are going to open ChatGPT. Friend, here you can see that this is my ChatGPT, and now we are going to see our chats. So friend, here you can see that these are my chats, and now I want to archive these chats. Okay, so what I will do, simply click on this three dot icon and then click on this archive. Okay, so friend, you can see that my chat is automatically diverted to archived. So friend, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.